Okay, it is just about midnight and I am going over my kiddo's work, and I see that he was confused on this part too. So here we go. So you see here where it shows 3 3 3/3 I equals 3I plus 3/3 I equals 3I plus 1I, and then we have to solve for that, which is 4I. Now, did you follow along with that? So, you know, anything that is the same on the top and the bottom equals 1, right? So if you have 4/4 or 3/3 or 2/2, etc., it's going to equal 1 whole part, right? Because we're dealing with fractions. So you're taking 3 3/3 I equals, and you're breaking that down. 3 3/3 I equals. Now we're going to break this apart. 3I, because you're taking 3I plus 3 1/3 I.
3 3/3.
And then you get
3/3. Sorry.
3I plus 1, because you know anything on the top and bottom equals 1. 1I, and you're going to add that together. Your 3 plus your 1 equals 4, and carry your unit there. I'm using the word unit for a lack of better terms, but that's how I see it. It's like if that was 3 cups or 3, tablespoons, whatever it is. It's a variable, whatever that is. We're not having to solve for it. We're just adding the whole part to the fractional part. That's the instructions, no more, no less. 3 3/3 equals 4I, and that's the breakdown. Now, here's a harder one, but you're smart, you can do this. So you go, the question is 7 9/7 I equals, and then they break it down. They say, okay, you take your 7I here, and then you add, okay, so what is 1? 1 is the same number, right? So 7/7 I, and what do you have left over? Your 7/7, you have 2 left over, right? Okay, because 9 minus 7 equals 2, right? So 2/7. So you got your 7I here, plus your 7/7 here, plus the leftovers, which is 2/7, because 9 minus 7 is 2/7. I equals your 7I right here, and then your 1, that's supposed to be a number 1, 1I plus 2/7, and then you solve for that. So you've got your 7I plus 1I. 7 plus 1 is 8, and 2/7. Sorry, that's a 2/7. I, that's supposed to be an I. Dot the I. There you go. Okay. And if you want to work one more, 5 9/8. So you got your 5I, don't forget your unit, plus, what's 9/8? Well, it's 8/8 plus an extra 8, right? 9 minus 8 equals 1. 8 equals, what is that? That's 5I plus 1I, which is 6, plus an 8I. 6 and an 8I. Does that make sense?